Brother, I respect you. But let me tell you something. Me have 4 gunshot hole in my body. And remember me tell you, it nah go so. Because the only reason why the streets not paved with blood is because as a businessman, I can't afford it right now.
You're a king. I'm gonna deal with it. You have 4, me have 9. I'm still have vengeance to execute. And me I get justice for you. But remember the last time when me tell you I'm gonna deal with something and you take it on? This time, trust me, I get justice for you. Justice for me. I'll fix it.
Brother, I know he's a man of your word. Karim, bring another coal Heineken and another coal jugger. Everything alright?
Yeah, man. Everything alright. All you need to do, just rely on me. Let me deal with everything. You know? Trust me, right? Bro, I got it. Hold on. I do the business, man. Hello?
Hi, sweetheart. How are you?
Hi, Bubbles. How are you?
I'm fine, my darling. I need a huge favor from you tomorrow.
I want that now, man.
Alright, so I'm sending out the car to get serviced and I need to grab some stuff on the road. I need to go to the supermarket and stuff. So I'm wondering if you can come and pick me up, my darling.
Bubbles, me not trolley, you know, man. Supermarket, how me drop in the list?
Okay, baby, that means at 2 o'clock you come and get me. That's fine. See you tomorrow, baby. Mwah,
No, what may I say is hello? Karim, give me a Heineken now.
Yeah, get the general. Yeah, man, D-man. Yeah, man, fast. The thirsty, no? You know, I'm not stronger. Come on, brother. Yeah. Cheers.
Tired of this.